Bukas pa. Ito ata yun eh. Yung parking neto. Sarado na ba? Ay, marami pa naman tao. Late na kasi kami ngayon guys pumunta.
There's so much snow.
Yeah. Oh, there's snow, Daddy.
I saw someone
Yeah.
sled. I want to sled.
Oh, hiram na lang tayo. Sorry, dinala mo ba, Dad? Okay, sorry. Ayan, time check. -1. Yan. Buti lang -1 lang kasi I think last year it's -19, 18 or 20, parang ganun. So late kami this year pumunta dito sa Lions of Light at ang tawag dito eh. Dito sa may Confederation Park. December 30 ngayon. Kasi nga, ay Dexy, that's not the road, baby. I think here. Is that the road? Yeah. Going there? Oh? Oh, pwede pala siya. Naku, delikado lang. Baka madulas tayo. Yan.
Unless you guys want to go circle around that way, see the passage.
Okay, let's go there. Dito, banda. Wag dyan kasi baka bigla tayo mahulog. Madapa tayo. Yan. So, ingay ko tuloy. Anyway, yan nga. Late na kami pumunta this year kasi nung before Christmas, walang time na pumunta kami. Hindi namin maisingit sa mga schedule namin. Kasi ang dami namin nilakad. May mga parties, may mga invitation na pinuntahan din kami. So, ayan si Dexa. Ang ingay kanina. Okay. So, akala namin walang snow. Ba't ang kapal ng snow here, no? Yeah. Ang kapal ng snow. Saan?
Text na siya.
Ah, really? Daanan pa natin? Yeah, it's okay. Akala ko ngayon. Yan, so yun nga yung kwento ko. So, ang parking namin dito banda. So, dito yung view. Ayan, we will share to you guys. See you! Lakad lang muna kami doon. Mga 5 minutes din ang lakad ata papunta doon. Okay, see you there!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
This one is the Lion Festival of Lights here in Calgary. Ay, nauna na si Dexa! So, ito yung entrance. Ay! Oh! My God! Oh, this one. Good. Yeah. Muntik ako nadulas. Muntik ako nadulas dun, guys. Ayan siya! Joy to the world! Nice! Ano kaya to LED lights, Daddy?
Tipan pala nila yung hindi na kailangan.
I see. Okay, stand up ka. Stand up! Stand up! Punta tayo kay gingerbread. Gingerbread. Doon. Okay. Doon tayo kay gingerbread. Ayun sila. Si gingerbread. Yan o. Malaki na kasi si Dexa this year. Tuwang-tuwa na siya sa ganito. Wow! Yeah, that's gingerbread. Wow! Okay, you want to take some photo with gingerbreads? Yan yung mga gingerbreads na Bi, oh. Ay, wag ka lang wag ka lang didikit dyan Bi kasi kuryente. Wag ka lang didikit. Okay. Careful! Oh! Si Daddy yung madalas. Eh, kay put mo na ah. Putmak mo. Yan ang Lion Festival of Lights this year.
Kasi masayaw ko yun.
Yeah. Parang nawala ngayon. Napagod na ata. I know. In my old videos, ano siya eh, sumasayaw eh. Come on guys, here tayo. What? Okay. Yeah, we will ask other kids. Oh, other kids. Oh, sige, go. Slide ka here. Go ka here. Go ka here like the kids. Woo! Yan lang tayo. Come on, go ahead. More slide. Okay, go ahead. Ayan, hindi na nga daw sumasayaw to. Last year sumasayaw siya eh. Okay.
Not yet. You guys are ready to work? Got it?
Okay, go! Woo!
Oh yeah. We were expecting to go walking out here. We're over at Cannon Days for dinner. Yeah, sandal slippers.
Okay!
Good job, Dream.
Ayan, nag-start na atang sumayaw to. No, kaya hindi kasi kanina wala eh. Ayan siya. So I don't know where's Dexa is and Daddy. Yeah. So I think they are there. Okay guys, come on! Ayan na, sumasayaw na nga to. Kanina wala kasi, parang patay. Okay. Dexa, come on. Daddy and Dexa. Woo! Ang saya naman nun. Sumakay pala si Daddy. Okay. Are you going now? Sorry. Oh, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Ayan ang kanilang ilaw this year. Ito niya, tingnan niyo. Ang ganda din. Wow. It's so nice. Ang ganda din talaga. So we will walk going there sa inside niya. Yeah. Dexa, you see these lights? You see yung lights na yun? We make a nice light. Tingnan mo kung ano siya. Nasaan si Snow dyan? May mga ganun-ganun sila. There's a Snow! Uy! Yeah. Dexa, here! Careful! Careful! Ang ganda nito, Dexia. Dexie, ang ganda ng... Ay, apo, napakadulas. Ito. Cute. Oh. That's so nice. Oh. And then, seasons. Yan. Ang ganda niya. Yeah, ang ganda. Okay. And then... Wow! Ang ganda. Ang galing naman nilang gumawa. And then this one, guys. Kailangan talaga yung mga shoes nyo, naka-snow shoes kayo. Kasi grabe, madulas. Ayan din, ang ganda, oh. Wow! Joy. You want to take some photo here, guys? Before, ano? Photo na tayo. Alin na kayo? Photo tayo, guys! Okay. Oh! Takot ka, Dexa? Go, go! Oh, come here, here. Hold. Daddy! Daddy! Help! Daddy! Kala yung mahulog siya. Okay, hold Daddy's hand! Woo! Oh my! We'll fall down na, Dexa! We'll fall down! Natakot si Dexa. Kanal kasi to. Yeah, that's nice. Careful! Okay, let's walk. Let's walk, guys. Oh, careful! Careful, careful! Dexa, here ka, baby. Okay. Oh. Yun, may elephant dun, oh. Dexa, there. There may elephant. Come on. Okay, go ahead. Go down to here. Okay, go. Oh.
That's so loud. I could do again.
Okay. Naku, sira naman may snowsuit mo, Bi. Sira na. Sira na siya. Okay. Okay, tama na yan kasi sira na siya. Nagasgas na. O, come here na. Come here na. Come here na. Ayan, ang ganda ng paligid. Christmas na Christmas pa din. Come on, let's go. Kunin mo, ah. Ayan. Ang ganda nito, Dexa. See? Dexa? Ito, may name, Dexy? O wala? Random lang. Basahin mo, may nilalagay sila eh. Merong ano eh, binuo silang name. Yan. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Mga reindeers. Yeah, hindi naman ata masyado dito. Parang napatay na nila yung bandang dito, no? Yan. Okay, you want to take some photo in there? Okay, smile! Sa pinakadulo, ito yung makikita nyo. Ano naman kaya ito? Train? Train ata eh. Ang maganda lang dito sa outdoor na to is free to. Unlike dun sa Glow na pinuntahan natin, you have to pay your ticket. Dito wala namang bayad. Yun lang, malamig kasi na outdoor. Pero good thing this year, 2023, di ganun kalamig. So talagang ma-enjoy nyo yung paglalakad-lakad mo. Ayan siya. Ewan ko kung ano, hindi ko naaaninag eh. Oh, it's something like a train. Yeah, tama ako. Guys, come on! Guys! Dexa, hindi dyan. Dito. Dexa, here. Here. O, may lip-lip. Oy! Madulas ka dyan ang mga bangin yan. Dito ka, please. Here tayo. Woo! Oh, come on. Here na tayo. So, yan ang istorya dito sa gilid na to. So, tatawid ka dun sa bridge. Then, ito yung makikita mo. Yan, hindi ganun kadami nga ngayong year na to. Or else, I don't know, pinatay nila or what. Yan, pero nakakatuwa na din tingnan. Nakakawili na din, nakaka-relax. At ang kinagandahan this year, di ganun kalamig. Yeah. Yan sinasabi ko kanina. Yeah. Dexa. Yan. Okay, doon ka kay Snowman. Hi ka kay Snowman. Ayun oh. Di ba si guard yun? Sino yun? Sino siya? I don't know. Oh, here, Dexy. Ano to? Here, bears? Oh, Dexy, here siya. Oh. What's that? You see in my video. What's that? The snowman. That's so cute. Okay, let's go to the other. Parang puzzle to sa dalawa. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a gingerbread house. Oh, I see. Okay, let's go to the other. Okay, I think we have still 3. Okay, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Oh, I know na. Sino siya? Oh my God. Ang galing ni Dexa. Dexy, sa Santa, tingnan mo. Okay. Okay, guess what? Guess what, guys? Oh, siya ba? What? Ha?
Mga toys.
Toys? Tingnan mo siya.
Yeah, those are toys.
Oh, toys siya?
Teddy bear, jack-o'-lantern. Oh no, not jack-o'-lantern, jack-in-a-box.
Okay.
Like,
Okay, this is the last one. Go ahead. Sleigh? Saan? Sleigh nga siya? Saan? Parang hindi ata.
it is
Sleigh ba yan?
yeah, with toys inside.
I see! A reindeer to. Oh my God, talagang color blind ako, guys. I cannot determine much. Ayan. Okay, Dexa, let's go to the Joy. Let's take a photo.
Dexa, we're gonna take a photo. Come here.
Ayun, meron kasi siyang nakita dun. Ayun na yung mga ilaw-ilaw dito. Ayan. Oh! Ang cute nga ng kulay. Ayun. Oo. Ang cute din. Parang ano eh, no? Wow. Ang cute ni Dexa. Ganda din this year. Konti na lang ang tao kasi nga tapos na ang Pasko. Yan, ngayon lang kasi kami nagkaroon ng time pumunta dito. Okay! What's this? Okay. Huh? Here? Well, very good. Okay. Doon tayo ulit. Basahin daw niya. Oh, you did not see that? What's that? Seasons? Greetings. Okay, let's go to the other. Okay. She will go to the other side, Daddy. Hinuhulaan niya yan eh. Nahulaan niya lahat yun nandun eh. What? Ang galing ni Dexa. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Ha? Ano yan, Dek, ate? Ha? A dog? A dove? Tinan mo.
Puti na bird nga. Dove.
Oh, I see. Okay. O, ito, kabila. Okay. Ate has 1 point. Sino to?
Wouldn't those be, you know how like, ano yung mga three na yun natako that
Three
went to-
kings.
Three kings that went to Jesus, like, you know, just
Oh, 3 kings. Oh, so hindi nyo, si ate ulit? Okay. Okay, Dexa pala. Okay. Last two, guys. Oh, eto. Ano to? Huh? Yeah, born. Baby Jesus was born. Yung si, ano yan, Mary and Joseph. Okay, the last one. Ano yan, Dexie? Angel nga? Uh-huh.
It's like about Christ.
Yeah.
So like I feel like a lot of theirs is like, you know, ano ba yung name, yung what's it's good tidings.
Yeah.
I feel like this is like, you know, when the angels proclaimed that, you know,
Yeah. That Jesus was born,
yeah.
something like that.
And then like
Ayan.
Jesus, then the three kings, then a dove.
Yeah, yun ang istorya nitong ganito nila this year. So, Lions Festival of Lights. Yan yung mga sponsor this year. Yan. Yan. We'll share to you guys our experience here in this place. Okay, Dexa, let's go! Enjoy, Dexa! Okay, one more. Come on! Come on! Ayan na, nag-move na siya. Ayan na siya. Ito pala maganda din i-video kasi nag-move. Kanina ang tabad din. Wow! Yan. Grabe naman yung dulo na yun. Sayang, no? Hindi na na-appreciate sobrang layo niya. Dapat dito sana nila kasi dito yung tao. Wala na dun eh. Hindi na masyado. Oh yeah. Mas pa yung pupunta din dun. Yeah, I know. Where? Woo! Set. Action, set. Pag ganun ka, padapa ka.
show you something.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay, ready? Woo! Diyos ko, kawawang bata, wala siyang sled.
One more time.
Okay, one more and then let it go. Ate is not feeling well, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! And that's all for today.